Coming in this morning. Now let's continue with Make a Difference. The Sussex charity, which enables NHS doctors in the UK to help sick patients abroad, has launched an urgent COVID-19 response fund. Virtual Doctors, which is based at the Sussex Innovation Centre in Falmer, Brighton, is taking the fight against the global pandemic online. Now let's talk to Huw Jones, who is the founder and executive director, and joins me on the line now. Thank you so much for joining us on the programme this morning. Let's talk more then about exactly what you're doing. So first of all, in terms of virtual doctors, what exactly does that involve?
Oh, hi, Sarah. So the Virtual Doctors we're a telemedicine charity. So we connect health workers, mainly rural health workers in Zambia and Malawi, where there is no doctor, to about 132 NHS volunteer doctors in the UK, who support them with diagnosis and treatment advice for complicated patient cases they would struggle to deal with normally.
So it sounds incredible what you do, and turning these skills towards this global pandemic. What exactly are you planning on doing?
Okay, so we're aware that in Zambia and Malawi, particularly in Zambia, health centres at times have an overwhelming demand for capacity. Just like in the UK, health workers could themselves become infected and put out of action. So in support of the Ministry of Health in Zambia, we're putting together a plan that focuses on infection prevention and response. So we're trying to buy water, sanitation and hygiene products and equipment for things like soaps, detergents, hand washing stations, and also trying to advocate the importance of social distancing and hygiene and hand washing in the communities, trying to prevent the spread of the virus within the communities where most of the population live.
In terms of water sanitation, things that we take for granted, that must be absolutely crucial.
Absolutely, and the supply chain can be very challenged. Some of the health centres that we work with, really, their supplies are very low indeed. So a simple thing like soap and hand washing facilities can prevent COVID spread and save lives.
So how can people find out more about what you're doing and help your fundraising bid as well?
Okay, so we have a website, www.virtualdoctors.org. On our landing page, we have a COVID response. We have all the information around our campaign on there. And then we have information on what small amounts of money can purchase. I mean, things like a contactless thermometer, £100, a wash kit, which includes the wash basin. It's a foot-operated hot wash basin, soaps, disinfectants is about £100 again. And then also getting the information out into the communities, posters, guidelines, is about £30. There's a little sort of, any amount will help, but it's all on our website. And we're very happy to receive any emails or phone calls if people would like to ask us more.
And actually, I think people really like to know that. So actually knowing where your money could potentially go and what kind of difference that would make, that's really useful information.
Yes, it is. Yeah, and we're happy to provide that.
And just remind then how we can get onto your website, just those details once again.
Certainly so. So it's www.virtualdoctors.org, www.virtualdoctors.org. And if you go to the home page, we have the Virtual Doctors COVID-19 response. You click on that, and it'll take you to a page where all the information is there to understand how you can support our campaign. We'd much appreciate that.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on the programme. And of course, we'll do more Make a Differences throughout the day here. And lots of your reaction